What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Guy Sensei from Naruto. Haven't drawn Guy Sensei, just standing, chilling, kind of normal. It's about time, huh? So we're going to start with his eye. I'm on a landscape page, pencil eraser, and hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm just going to carve a line just up here in the top half of the page. So we'll go curving up and down, right? And you just want to thicken this up a little bit. So you just make it look like eyelashes. You want it to be a little bit heavier than just one single line, because his eye is kind of closed. And he does have eyelashes sticking down from this. So make some stuff like this. Right? And then like a line just in there for his nose, right? So one eye closed, maybe like another eyelash there. And then we'll come over and do the other eye. So starting just here, you're about the width of his eye over. So the width of that closed eye will fit in between. You're able to fit it inside this gap, one whole eye. And this will just go up and over this way. And then it goes down, a simple sort of eye, and kind of hooks back this way. Right, like so. And then his bottom eyelid just comes across there. And he has eyelashes on this as well. Like so. And then he just has a black pupil, so it's just like a circle, just comes down, around and up. And this is just color black inside. Like so. So his eyebrows are real big and they go underneath his hair, but we'll just draw them in first anyway. So we go like big, thick, crazy big. It goes up and then kind of hooks down here, right? It goes underneath his hair, but we'll draw in what we can see. Like we'll just go up and down to there, and then same on the other side, up. Down to there somewhere, back up. You might have to raise some of this because it goes underneath his hair. Okay. And then we can see some like eyelid lines just here. And then his nose, so wide bridge of his nose comes down like that. And then his nostrils on the bottom, so two nostrils here, right? And it's connected in the middle like that. And then we can see his nostrils drawn in on the sides, just there. So he's given us a cheeky pose, you know, guy, you know, shining teeth and all that kind of stuff. So I was going to just do him looking normal, but you have to draw a guy with a pose, I think. So kind of comes down, across, back up to here, like that. So it's like you're giving him a closed mouth at first, but then we open it up, comes down to there, and then across, down, up into there. And then he has like teeth lines just coming across here. And you don't have to go the whole way across. And then bottom lip, like so. And then chin, relatively square chin, just here. So proportion wise, eyes to his nose, say his pupil just there. Say this area, where it would be in the closed eye, is about the same as nose to chin. So this about the same as this. And then nose to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. Okay, so that's kind of the proportions. Anyone who needs to know that kind of stuff. And then this goes up the side, like that for his jaw, diagonal. And you're kind of at the edge of his eyebrows there. That's where you want to stop for the jaw, across from the mouth. Okay, so you're like, there, they line up more or less. And then we change direction. You know, we go up the side of his head to there. And then he's got cheekbones come in like this. Different kind of character face than other people in Naruto. So then this kind of just becomes his hair, right? So it'll just go up and then it'll have these little spikes and flat pieces of hair that come across his head. You know, if you go over any of his eyebrow, you can just erase them. Right, like that. And then he's got this bowl cut that goes the whole way around. So it starts like from, say, the back of his neck. So like necklines here. And then his hair goes up, starts going this way. Right? And then it'll go up around to the top of his head. Just up here somewhere. So the top of your head is about, like, say from top of the head to the eyebrows, about the same as eyebrows to chin. So here to here is about the same as here to here. Roughly. Okay. Like in human proportion, the eyes are halfway from the top of the skull to the chin, just if you're interested. So say if the top of his skull was there, that would be the same. So like here to here, we'll bring it to the top of his skull, and then you have to add a bit more because hair grows out. You know, there's skin, there's muscle, so there's a bit more of a gap. But that's generally the proportion of the human face. So we go down from there. And then this goes down from here. And then he has all these white shining sort of bits inside. So they're like these letter ends. Right? And it's all black around these. So they're just these white highlights. And it's just kind of easier to draw them in before you color. So that's what I'll do. So it always reminds me of like a letter N. And then there's like some straight ones just. Like so. Right, so then his collar and his anatomy and stuff. So, and his clothing. So let's go. Collar comes down that way. And then he has the ninja collar, right? So he's got this big round sort of thing. Comes down there. And then the inside of it. Like that. And then it has a bead, a raised edge. Goes down the middle. Like that. And then over here. And then goes around there, and then another sort of thing here, and that raised edge to it, like so. And then his jacket, open jacket, and then that's his collar, and then, oh yeah, his collar around his neck, just there. And then this has a, what is that? It's like a zip, but it's like clips. Is that how it's tied together? Maybe. Interesting. Different. Down that way. Another one starting there. Skinny one. Wide one. Down that way. Then he's got shoulder pads. So this is like the ninja armor they wear. So he's got like this big shoulder pad with a bump. Down around like that. And then it's got an edge and a button there. And then his shoulder comes down this way, and the inside line's there. Now, so he's giving us a thumbs up, because I thought I'd draw him with a thumbs up. So if you don't like drawing hands, just do this same thing kind of here, right? If you don't like drawing hands, just give him another shoulder, and then you're done. But if you want to challenge and you want to try drawing hands, especially a thumbs up kind of hand, let's give it a go. So we'll just go across here. Now, the hand is about the same size as the face, just in case you're wondering. So it goes down that way for a knuckle, and then it'll go across, down for a knuckle, across, down for a knuckle, another one here, like that, right? His little finger curves around, and you can see kind of bumps on the inside of this because it's like curving around there. And then the bottom of his hand goes off my page. The other side of the hand goes up for a knuckle, down, around there. And then his wrist kind of goes off that way. And you can add some knuckle lines just here. Like so. And then his thumb just sticks up. Like that. This is his hand going off that way. That's wrist. That maybe made that line just a little bit too long. It should just be like a skin fold sort of thing. So it's like the palm of his hand going that way. Okay, so then his shoulder pad in under here, same type of thing as this, but you can't see all of it. You just see a little bit of it. Line there, and then his shoulder bumps off this way. Like maybe the top of those pockets that they wear. Alright, but that's it. That's how to draw Guy Sensei from Naruto. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.